Look at all that snow. It's been like blizzarding all day, or like this morning and early afternoon. It's probably the most snow we've had so far this year on the ground. And it's February 7th, time of this video. This is like where that tire almost hit me the other day when I was driving. It's really snowy out. Check this out. Someone was honking at someone. Yeah, but it's you can see how snowy it is.
That's right, if you're looking for LASIK in Minneapolis. Take 70% off diamond jewelry, show love, boxed and ready to give. Friday and Saturday at Macy's. Savings off sale prices, exclusions.
Guys, this is crazy right now. It's it's like blizzarding here. This is in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Check this out.
So whether it's for your special someone or all of your special someones.
Okay, usually you can see downtown Minneapolis from here, but check this out. You can't really see any of it. Check it out. Yeah, usually you're able to see downtown Minneapolis like right from this vantage point, but you can see it's basically like a whiteout. There's US Bank Stadium. You can kind of see it, where the Super Bowl was played last year. This year being in Atlanta. Bro, that guy like just about walked right in front of me. That was kind of freaky. I honked at him, and so I didn't like hit him, but that was kind of freaky because, you know, don't want to just walk right in front of a car when it's snowing out like this. It's all slippery and everything. Guys, look at this. This is crazy.